How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. This is my iPad Air 4. It's the 2020 iPad Air, the newest generation of it. And I want to put a glass screen protector on here to protect my screen from getting scratched or cracked or anything like that. So I picked up the best glass screen protector you can get, the Spigen glass screen protector. This is tempered glass, so it's very, very durable, very protectant for my iPad Air. And I've got it right beside me. I've already taken it out of the box, so this is it right here. So it's very thin. You want to be careful with it while handling it because you can crack it if you bend it a little bit. So you want to make sure you're very careful with it, but it is sticky and it will go right onto your iPad. It won't leave any residue or anything if you ever decide to take it off. But first things first, let's go ahead and clean my iPad. So what I'm going to use to clean my iPad is the swoosh cleaner. So I really like this swoosh cleaner here. It's just works really well. Let's go ahead and just spray it. And this will not damage or wreck your iPad in any way. Just a little bit of spray on there. And then this is the white cloth that I got included with my Spigen screen protector. So we're gonna go ahead and just wipe down my glass right here on my iPad. So it's nice and fresh, nice and clean. There's no fingerprints, there's no dust residue or anything like that. So we'll just wipe it down. There we go. And now that I'm done wiping my iPad down, I'm gonna grab the dust removal stickers that Spigen includes inside of the packaging here. And we're gonna use this to get any specks of dust off of the screen. Now be careful not to touch your screen at all now so you don't add any fingerprints, but take this little sticker, bend it just like that. And a lot of times when you use even your cloth will leave little bits of dust residue. So it actually, I can see little pieces of residue left from the cloth. And we don't want that to go underneath the screen protector. So we're gonna use this little piece right here, and we're gonna just get rid of any bits of dust that we see. All right, I think that looks about good. I don't see any other specks of dust anywhere else, and I think we are good to go. And now we're gonna grab the screen protector itself, and if we grab it, it actually has these little handle pieces on the side, which helps you place it. So what we're gonna do is, if you look, it says right here, it says back adhesive side. So we're actually gonna remove this back adhesive side, and we're gonna hold it with the protectors, and then we're gonna align it and place it down. So let's go ahead and do that. You wanna be as kind of quickly as possible. You don't want to get any dust or residue or anything like that else on your screen. So we'll go ahead and take that and we'll hold it with these little handles on the side and we'll flip it around right here. And I'm just gonna lean down and we're just going to place it with aligning as we look right here. And I'm gonna look from above, so it might sound a bit different here for a second as I align it. And once I think I've got it perfectly aligned, we're just going to place it down and just rest it down. And then we've got this little tool right here. This is a little squeegee tool. And what we can do is we can just draw a line right in the middle. And then you can see that the stuff is gonna come out. As I'm getting notifications here, you might wanna turn your iPad off. Should have done that, but that's okay. And what we can do is now we can take this top layer off right here. So we'll take that off. And now we're gonna use our squeegee to get rid of any of the bubbles that are underneath, and those bubbles will just come out very easily. So you don't have to worry about leaving any bubbles or anything like that. So there we go. I think we've got it. We've got all the bubbles and stuff like that out. Looks like it is perfectly aligned. It's got some nice notch right there for your camera and everything. Everything looks absolutely perfect. And let's go ahead and just test. Does it work? It does work fine. So there we go. We will not actually unlock my iPad or anything like that, but it works perfectly fine. It looks fantastic. So if you guys want to check out this exact screen protector, I've linked it in the description box below and you can get it. And it's very easy to install. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.